Hello everybody! Sometimes it happens that you download DaVinci Resolve, you try the software, you try editing your videos, but there is no sound. Like here. Let's take a look. Play. There is no sound. You see? The band is playing music, but there is no sound in DaVinci Resolve. And at the same time we see the audio is playing here in the mixer, and here in the audio track the sound visualizes too. Let me show it to you. Okay, the clip is too short, it only lasts for 16 seconds. By the way, I have another one here, and still there is no sound. Alright, so let me use these two clips. For this, I need to link the audio with the video. And now left click audio, shift left click video and link them. And now that they are linked, we can move them together out of here. I'll be using these two clips for this. Yes, so I will be using this clip with the band, and I will be using this clip with the bottle. Alright, the total length is 32 seconds. Okay, this length may be not enough, so let me also use the copy of the first clip. So here I have the clip with the band, I have the clip with the bottle, and I have the clip with the band. And all three of them have sound. Let us check on it. Let us play the first clip, this one, in Windows Media Player. Yeah, you see? There is sound, right? Okay, now let us play this clip in Windows Media Player. Alright, you hear both clips have sound. And in the properties, we can see that this one has audio with two channels, stereo one, audio sample rate, bit rate, and this clip is in MP4 video format. What about the properties of the second clip? This one has audio, two channels, stereo, and it is in MP4 video format. Alright, but here in DaVinci Resolve we have no sound. No sound in this clip and neither sound in this clip. Alright, and we can visualize the audio waves in the audio track. How do we do this? We do it here. Left click. Now audio, make it wider. We don't need to widen the video because actually it is enough, but let us left click this one and probably this one. Yes. And what we see now is our audio waves. So we can visualize the audio. And we see that there is audio. We visualize it here. We visualize it here in the mixer. To turn on the mixer, we use this button. Yes. Now there is no sound in this clip. And now there is sound. There should be sound, but we don't hear it. Why not? The level is maximum. We did not turn on this button, DIM. It is green and it is maximum. So we should hear the sound, but we don't. And check on this button, because this M button mutes the audio track. And the track, you see, grays out. But it is not grayed out. This is not yellow. This is not minimized, this is not mute. Still there is no sound. How do we fix it? First, I'm in Windows 7. This may work for other Windows operating systems. Find the loudspeaker icon here, right click, and here left click playback devices. And now we see it is in Russian language, but it says loudspeakers. Right click on it. And now left click properties. And here go to advanced. You see, this line is very important. We have 16-bit for 4100 Hz CD quality. This is not acceptable for DaVinci Resolve. To change it, click this button, and you see we have a number of lines. We have CD quality, DVD quality, and studio quality. We have different numbers of hertz, and we have different numbers of bits. Actually, we have two options of bits, 16-bit and 24-bit. For DaVinci Resolve, we need to choose 24-bit, 48,000 Hz studio quality. Choose it, click Apply. The device, what device, is being used by another application. If you continue, that application may stop working. Do you want to continue? I think yes, I do want to continue. Click OK and OK. And now still there is no sound. How do you fix this? Go to DaVinci Resolve, go to Preferences. In Preferences, choose System. In System, choose Video and Audio I/O. And here, make sure that in Speaker Setup, the speaker configuration is set to Use System Setting. Click Save, and let us check if there is sound. Yes, and now we have the sound. Yes, it is laggy. The playback is laggy. It's not smooth. But this is a different topic, guys. And I think I will talk about this in one of my future videos. How to adjust the settings in DaVinci Resolve so that to make the playback smoother. But the issue we have been solving has been solved. There is the sound. If you still have no sound, you may need to restart DaVinci Resolve. By the way, when you were adjusting the speaker configuration, DaVinci Resolve could have prompted you to restart the application, to restart DaVinci Resolve. Even if DaVinci Resolve didn't ask you about restarting, you can try restarting. And you can restart your operating system, you can restart your computer, because you have made major changes in the audio settings here when you adjusted the settings for the audio. This change is a major one. So it would be a good idea to restart your computer before you make a conclusion on whether or not the issue of no sound in DaVinci Resolve has been solved. By the way, you can also mute your tracks by using these buttons, but you will see that the track grays out, so you are not going to miss it. You'll see it is grayed out, something is wrong, but if it is not grayed out, then the problem is somewhere else. And you can also lower the volume by using these sliders like this. Alright guys, this is it for the time being. You have a good time. See you in the next videos.